The FTC, of all organizations, is helping people in a way, potentially, that the FCC never could or would. No, they could, they just won't. So the FTC has warned several companies that the warranty void if removed stickers that they put on certain items are actually illegal, which is great for those of us who like to buy our electronics and actually own it instead of secretly you just own a license to it or a key, and the company still has a monopoly over this hardware that you have purchased yourself with your own money. So the FTC sent letters outlining concerns over the warranty to 6 major companies that have done this before. They didn't say specifically which ones they were to the public. However, they did say that they were sent to companies that sell gaming systems. So you can expect perhaps Sony, Microsoft, cellular devices, Apple, and automobiles, which could be literally any of them. This seems like a great step if this is able to gain traction, and I sincerely hope it does, but in the past, these kinds of things have lost a lot of steam thanks to efforts from lobbyist groups representing these corporations that create the hardware items themselves. Thomas B. Pahl, acting director of the FTC's Bureau of Consumer Protection, said, "Provisions that tie warranty coverage to the use of particular products or services harm both consumers who pay more for them as well as small businesses who offer competing products and services." And then they outline several different questionable provisions that go along with the warranty void if removed stickers. So typically, these stickers cover something like a screw or a latch or something that you would use to look inside of the hardware and perhaps remove some of the parts, repair it yourself. And they don't like this because what it does is the use of, according to them, blank company name parts is required to keep your manufacturer's warranties and any extended warranties intact. The warranty only applies if this product is used on products not sold or licensed by whatever company. The warranty does not apply if this product has had the warranty seal altered, defaced, or removed. Basically, what this all in effect rolls into is the idea that you can't do this, you can't say you can't remove this unless you provide some kind of free service to repair. Because usually what the case is it's not free. It does cost more, and sometimes an exorbitantly high rate. If you own any kind of Apple product, I'm sure you're aware of this when you've tried to take your own item to perhaps a third-party aftermarket repair shop and then having your warranty revoked, and Apple won't take it back, and Apple won't look at it for you after that. And essentially, that's not fair. That's an unfair consumer practice. So it's illegal to condition warranty coverage on the use of specified parts or services, according to them. It says, the FTC says it will be reviewing each company's website after 30 days to ensure compliance. Otherwise, they may face legal action, which is great for consumers. I really hope they follow through on this because it does feed right into the Right to Repair Act, which is we should be allowed to repair our items in a way that isn't crazy expensive. Audience, what do you think? Please let us know on Facebook and Twitter.